Hey guys, welcome back to Spice Plate. Today we are going to be celebrating, as you guys can tell, my birthday, my 17th birthday. And as you guys can tell, I'm all ready and Mum's just getting ready. My sister, she's getting ready too.
Hi
Her
everyone,
outfit. Do you want to tell them about your outfit?
Yeah, I got this piece from Zara literally like 5 days ago.
That's good. And she's still getting ready.
No, already ready. I've just got black eyeshadow, pink lipstick, and little loop earrings, and a chain here. Yeah, I love this. And these.
Okay, so guys, you can tell that we're all getting ready, and it's only 7 o'clock right now. So yeah, that's it really. You can tell. I put some red lipstick from Zara. All the products that we've all used will be in the description box. So yeah, this is my look. I think I look good. That's it really, guys. So I'm just waiting for Mum and Dad to get ready, and that's it. Hey guys, here's Aliza. Aliza, show them your outfit.
Oh, my outfit. It's not really that special or anything. I'm just wearing a skirt with this top and a layer underneath.
So yes guys, this is what Lisa's wearing. Do you want to show them your makeup as well?
Yeah.
So this is makeup. It's all plain, but it looks so nice. This is Mum, guys. Mum, do you want to say anything on my birthday?
आज अलिशबा की बर्थडे है लेकिन मुझे वैक्सीन लगी हुई है, मुझे बुखार हुआ है।
Yeah guys.
तो मैं अलिशबा को हैप्पी बर्थडे बोलती है। मेरी बेटी को नेकी की तहत है, जुबान कम चले और तरक्की करे। हेलो बनाया
Didi,
आ ले
do you want to say anything?
No, I just want to say happy birthday. You're 17, and in 3 years you're gonna be my age, so
3
you
years.
better be responsible.
Yes.
आ जाओ
Fee, do you want to say anything? Fee doesn't want to say anything, guys.
हाँ कहेगा
Go on then, Fee.
I wish Alishba a very good day. A very good birthday.
Yes.
Wish her luck. Wish her all luck. And wish she gets rich
Rich,
in the
yeah.
future.
Aw, thank you.
Wish you luck, Alishba.
Thank you, Fee. So everyone is getting ready, guys. We're going to be cutting the cake, and that's it. Mum,
मेरे कपड़े तो बहुत लूज हो गए।
Mum's just lost a bit of weight. Mom.
वेट लूज किया थोड़ा सा घर बैठ के।
Yes.
डोंट वरी।
Mum's worked out, that's why.
हाँ, अगर तुम लोग काम करो तो मैं क्यों करूँ?
So yeah, guys, Mum's just getting ready. I'm gonna get ready too a bit, and that's it.
पापा को भी दिखा दे।
Yes, guys, we're gonna be showing Dad.
चलो कैसे इधर फेस अपनी तरफ
नहीं, आपकी तरफ.
अच्छा चलो अलिशबा को दिखाऊंगी जब बड़ी हो जाएगी कि अलिशबा कितनी अच्छी लगेगी।
Oh, sweetie, you look nice as well.
अच्छा मैं कपड़े गला कैसा?
Yes, guys. Oh my God, the suit, everything looks nice, Ma.
अच्छा थैंक यू बेबी। आज उधर भी दिखाओ। नहीं आज
Okay. So guys, this is Mum's makeup finished and everything, and this is Mum's suit. Look how nice it looks. Mum, tell them what you wore.
मेरा दिल नहीं कर बुखार की वजह से।
So Mum's a bit sick, guys, so please don't mind. Mum got the vaccination yesterday, and ever since Mum's been feeling really sick a bit. Mum's got a bit of laziness, but Mum's still good. Mum has taken medicine and everything, but you know.
आजा मोटे।
And this is
अलमना है।
Lisa, mine.
her outfit, guys. Look how nice she looks.
कोई बात।
Look how nice she looks.
Thank you.
And her makeup. What did you put?
So I put black eyeshadow as a base, and then I toppled it with metallic eyeshadow
Yes.
to make it shiny. You won't see.
वाओ मैं
And this is Mum's makeup, and this is my makeup, guys. We're gonna be cutting the cake, and that's it. Bye.